Facility Operation and Maintenance Manual is a document that provides information and guidance on how to operate, maintain, and troubleshoot the different systems, equipment, and components installed in a facility. Creating a comprehensive operation and maintenance manual for your facility may be a significant task to guarantee smooth operations and maintenance procedures. In this exploration, we unravel the secrets behind operational brilliance, specifically the creation of your comprehensive O&M handbook. Before we embark on the journey of creating your handbook, let's understand why this document is pivotal. Point 1. Ensuring effective operations by providing clear and consistent instructions for the facility staff. Point 2. Prolonging facility life cycle by providing preventive maintenance schedules and procedures that reduce the risk of breakdowns and failures. Point 3. Enhancing safety and security. It helps to enhance the safety and security of the facility and its occupants by providing safety instructions, emergency procedures, and risk mitigation measures that prevent accidents, injuries, and hazards. Point 4. Compliance with regulations. It helps to comply with the regulatory and contractual requirements that may mandate the provision of a facility operation and maintenance manual as part of the facility handover process. Point 5. Facilitating knowledge transfer by providing a comprehensive and reliable source of information about the facility and its systems. Now, let's delve into the intricate components that form the backbone of your comprehensive O&M handbook. To create a facility operation and maintenance manual, it is recommended to follow a systematic and modular approach that covers the following aspects. 1. The physical and functional descriptions of the facility and its systems, equipment, and components, including their specifications, locations, and interconnections. 2. The operation instructions and procedures for the facility and its systems, equipment, and components, including their modes, settings, controls, and indicators. 3. The maintenance instructions and procedures for the facility and its systems, equipment, and components, including their inspection, testing, cleaning, lubrication, adjustment, and replacement. 4. The troubleshooting guides and corrective actions for the facility and its systems, equipment, and components, including their common problems, causes, symptoms, and solutions. 5. The parts lists and spare parts inventory for the facility and its systems, equipment, and components, including their identification, quantity, availability, and storage. 6. The operation and maintenance significant drawings and diagrams for the facility and its systems, equipment, and components, including their layout, schematic, wiring, piping, and flow charts. 7. The vendor and manufacturer data for the facility and its systems, equipment, and components, including their contact information, warranty information, technical support, and product literature. Now, let's explore the systematic process that transforms these components into a living, breathing guide for your facility's success. Step 1. Identify all relevant stakeholders, including facility managers, maintenance staff, safety officers, and anyone else involved in day-to-day operations. Step 2. Conduct stakeholder interviews. Schedule one-on-one or group interviews with key stakeholders. Ask about their roles, responsibilities, and the specific tasks they perform regularly. Inquire about challenges they face and any suggestions for improvement. Step 3. Collect any existing manuals, procedures, or documentation related to facility operations. Review these materials to identify gaps, outdated information, or areas for improvement. Step 4. Conduct site walkthroughs with relevant personnel. Observe day-to-day operations and identify critical areas that need documentation. Take note of equipment, safety measures, and any unique aspects of the facility. Step 5. Consult with subject matter experts, especially in areas like safety, compliance, and equipment maintenance. Ensure that the manual aligns with industry best practices and regulatory requirements. Engage legal experts and compliance officers to review the manual. Ensure that all content aligns with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards. Step 6. Establish a system for continuous improvement. Encourage users to provide feedback and update the manual regularly to reflect changes in procedures or equipment.